In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add online appointments in GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional booking section live on your site, ready for clients to schedule with you. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type GoDaddy, then select the official GoDaddy website from the results. Once you're on the homepage, sign in to your account. If you have multiple accounts or sites, make sure you're using the one connected to the website you want to update. After signing in, look to the top right and click your account name or profile icon. From the drop-down, choose My Products. This takes you to your central dashboard where all your domains, websites, and tools live. Find the website you want to work on and click it to open the Website Builder editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the page and spot where you want your booking feature to appear. When you're ready, click the plus sign to add a new section. A panel will open with different section categories. Scroll or search for Scheduling, then select it. Within Scheduling, choose Online Appointments. This is the dedicated booking component that lets visitors pick a service, date, and time right from your site. You'll now see a selection of templates for online appointments. Pick the one that best matches your style and the amount of information you want to show. Some layouts emphasize a single featured service, while others are great if you offer a list of options. Don't worry, this choice isn't permanent, and you can adjust design details later. With the template added, it's time to edit. Click into the section to update the headline and description so they clearly tell visitors what you offer and how to book. Add or rename your services, set durations, and include pricing if applicable. If your appointments happen online or at a physical location, note that here so customers know what to expect. Adjust your availability settings to reflect the days and times you're actually open, and consider adding short buffers between appointments if you need preparation time. You can also refine the button text to something action-oriented, like Book Now or Schedule a Session, and fine-tune the layout, colors, and images so the section matches your brand. Before wrapping up, take a quick look in mobile view to confirm everything reads well and the booking flow is easy on smaller screens. That's it. Your online appointments section is now set up, styled, and ready to help clients schedule with confidence.